Hi guys, it's Colette, and today to kick off Watermarble March 2019, we're going to be working on this holographic Watermarble using the China Glaze OMG Flashback Collection. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using in today's marble are from the China Glaze OMG Flashback Collection. The teal is Deviate, the blue is Tonight, and the silver is OMG. I'll be using China Glaze Whiteout as my base color. Before I start marbling, I'm going to protect around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for water marbling, we're working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once you have your bullseye complete, you can go ahead and draw in your design. For this one, I'm just doing some swirls directly on top of the bullseye. Once you're pleased with your design, you can go ahead and choose where you're going to dip your fingers. For this one, I'm going to line up my ring finger and my pinky in the areas that I want, and then go ahead and dip in. Then go ahead and clear off the excess polish from the surface so that it doesn't stick to your design. And once it's as clean as possible, can go ahead and pull out, and there's the water marble. You may want to use a tweezer for the next part. I usually do. But you can go ahead and grab hold of the tape and remove your protection. The latex may or may not come off at the same time. If it doesn't come off, you can just grab it and take it off separately. Then I'm going to repeat that for all my nails before I move on to cleanup. Before I do the cleanup, I want to do just a little bit of kind of polish surgery on the pinky. I feel like it has so much more like silvery white than the other nails that I want to add just a little bit more color. So I'm going to start off by getting just a little bit of the teal on my little brush here, and I'm just working directly out of the bottle because I'm not going to be doing very much. And I'm going to expand this little piece of turquoise that's peeking from the side up just a little bit so that it's a little bit more obvious, like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this one with the blue. Once you've finished your cleanup, go ahead and finish with a top coat. As usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. There were a few issues that didn't quite make the finished tutorial, but you can check those out in the extended tutorial, which will be up in a few days. And if you'd like to join me live for my water marble testing, there's a link to my Twitch channel down in the description. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one. I hope you're looking forward to Water Marble March as much as I am. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.